Doctor voice, sincere, direct to camera. If you're over 60 and your legs feel weaker, stiffer, or less steady in the mornings, I want you to pay close attention. Because what you eat before 8 a.m. could be either helping rebuild your muscles or silently making them worse. Today, I'll show you one powerful food that supports leg strength, circulation, and balance, plus the exact way to use it to feel the difference in just 7 days. Leg weakness is one of the earliest warning signs of something called sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss. But it doesn't happen overnight. It starts slowly. Your legs feel heavier when walking upstairs. You feel less steady stepping off a curb. You find it harder to get out of a low chair from all. The most dangerous part? Most people think this is just normal aging, but it's not. The real culprit could be poor muscle nutrition right after waking when your body is most ready to repair tissue. Think of your muscles like a sponge. After sleeping all night, they're dry, waiting to soak up nutrients. And the window between wake up and 8 a.m. is when your muscles are most sensitive to leucine, nitrates, and protein, the building blocks of strength and blood flow. But if you reach for toast, cereal, or just coffee, you're missing this golden window. Worse, it may spike your blood sugar and contribute to inflammation that damages muscle over time. That's why I recommend a specific type of breakfast that targets circulation, strength, and energy all before your day begins. Let me tell you about Richard. He's 67, and when we first spoke, he told me, "Doc, every morning my legs feel like bricks. I thought I just needed to stretch more." But the problem wasn't flexibility, it was low blood flow and weak muscle fueling. I asked him to change one thing. Start each morning with a breakfast built around natural muscle activators. Within 2 weeks, Richard called me and said, "My legs feel lighter, I'm walking faster, I even got back on my bike." That's the power of proper morning muscle nutrition. The food I told Richard to eat? A bowl of cooked oats topped with spinach, 1 boiled egg, and a side of beet juice. Here's why. Oats provide slow carbs and beta-glucans for energy. Spinach is loaded with nitrates that turn into nitric oxide, improving blood flow to your legs. Eggs give you leucine, a key amino acid for muscle activation. Beet juice boosts nitrate absorption and keeps blood vessels open. This is not just a healthy breakfast, it's a targeted morning stack designed to deliver nutrients your leg muscles need before 8 a.m. Want to amplify the effect? Add a small cup of Greek yogurt with blueberries on the side. The yogurt adds extra protein and gut-friendly probiotics, helping your body better absorb the nutrients from spinach and beets. And blueberries are rich in anthocyanins, which protect your blood vessels and further support circulation to your lower body. This combination delivers energy, strength, and stability, all from foods you can find at any grocery store. If you're serious about walking longer, standing taller, and regaining strength in your legs, start with what you eat before 8 a.m. Try this for 7 days and see how your body responds. And if this message speaks to you, drop it in the comments so I know you're ready to take back your strength. Don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed tips to stay strong, mobile, and confident well into your 60-second, 70-second, and beyond. I'm Dr. Thomas. See you in the next video.